Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about payments. This is the second series in our payment series. And today, we're going to talk about insurance payments. What do you do if one of your clients wants to pay with insurance? So, hopefully, I go over some of the things that I've experienced and help you through taking your first client with insurance, or if you've already had clients with insurance, just trying to solidify the process with you. So, first of all, congratulations on probably getting your first client with insurance. That's a pretty exciting step to be in your home care journey. But I want to make sure that you don't have the same issues that I had, or at least if you do, you know how to navigate and tackle them and get over them pretty quickly so that you can have your money to pay for all of your expenses and to pay your staff. So I'll give you a couple of the things that I went through when I was taking insurance and how you can pretty much deal with that in a better way than I did. Okay. So when you're taking insurance, that allows your agency to make usually a lot of money pretty fast, especially if you're pretty good with your rates and good with setting your salaries against whatever your insurance payment is. So, one of the first things that you need to do is know exactly how much the insurance is going to pay for the service that you're providing. I went into the situation um, not knowing exactly when I had my first client exactly the rate. So I knew around the rate and I didn't know exactly how much money I was going to make. So after taxes and insurance, I was paying one of my staff so much that I really didn't make any money. So I don't want that to happen to you. So what you need to do for that is either go on your state's website and look up the rates for what they are paying for your service, or you can just reach out to your support coordinator and they should have all of the rates in a rate table to give you when you sign up for your insurance. They assigned you a support coordinator. So that's one of the ways that you at least can get a handle on how much you're going to make and then how much, you have to pay your staff. Now, having a bunch of clients on insurance sounds very good, but different insurances pay at different times. Some pay every 30 days, some pay every 45 days, some will pay you every 15 days. And you need to know what the insurance company pays you that you're accredited for. So if you have your accreditation for, let's say, United Healthcare, and they pay every 30 days, then you need to have some type of a cushion to set up so that you can pay your staff before the 30 days, because usually staff wants to get paid every 2 weeks, or some agencies even pay daily. And I go over in my training what is the best way to pay your staff in order to make sure you have positive cash flow coming. But one of the things you need to do first is make sure you know when you're going to get paid from that insurance company. And just like when we were speaking of cash payments, which you can find that video somewhere here or here, I'll try to link it. You want to make sure that you have a cushion for paying your staff, because the cash payments that I have experienced have actually paid faster than a lot of the insurance payments that I've experienced. So when you're looking for that cash payout, maybe you billed for $4,000 worth of hours and you're expecting that at the end of the month so that you can pay your staff, but then you submitted a clean claim and the claim comes back that you're not going to get paid. So that has happened to me several times. And what you need to do is just make sure you have a cushion in order to help you through those times when you're trying to talk to the insurance company to figure out what went wrong with your claim. If you do notice that you're having issues with your claim, the first thing that you want to do is reach out to your support coordinator or the person who assisted you after you started getting all of your documents in. They will help you figure out how to get paid because trust me, they want agencies to continue to work for them. So they want to help you through whatever trouble you're having with getting paid. The second thing that you want to do is make a note of every single process that you do. So you also want to make a note of all of the wrong things that you did. So if you accidentally put a different number, believe that someone else is going to do it. So you want to make a process because your goal is not to do this every single week and be stressed out. It's hopefully to get someone else to do it so that you can free up some of that time for other things that you need to do in your agency. So start making your processes pretty early so that you can start training other people to do what you're doing. Now, if you're similar to me, you are probably doing everything yourself. That's how I started out. I started out doing every single thing myself, doing the billing myself, because I know what I want to do to get paid, and I know that I'm going to fix the situation very fast. But you have to start leaning on people if you want your agency to grow. One of the things that I would do is look to hire someone. If you don't feel like you want to hire someone, there are so many companies who are billing companies and they will bill on your behalf and just take a small percentage in order to get you paid. And usually they do a really good job of it. But I will urge you to know the process so that in the event that they did something wrong and they can't figure it out, maybe you can step in and try to help them through that process so that you can get paid faster. If you're similar to me, you are probably doing everything yourself. I did the billing myself, I did payroll myself, I did every single thing in the office in my agency myself. But you have to start leaning on people in order for your agency to grow. And if you feel like you don't want to hire someone to do your billing just yet, you can always look for a company that specializes in billing. They usually take a small percentage and they usually get you paid pretty fast. So hopefully this helped you. If you feel like you need more help, check out my home care kit below. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because that helps me help more people like you. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe. And until next time.